Conversation. Alex, tell me about London. Where is it? Alex, tell me about London. Where is it? Well, London is an old city in the southeast of England. Well, London is an old city in the southeast of England. What's it like? What's it like? It's a big and clean city. It's a big and clean city. Are there any museums? Are there any museums? Yes, some great ones. Yes, some great ones. I should see the city soon. I should see the city soon. Sure, and we can have special food in downtown. Sure, and we can have special food in downtown. Practice. Where is London? It's in the southwest of England. Where is Birmingham? It's in the center of England. Where is Manchester? It's in the northwest of England. Where is it? It's in the south. What's London like? It's a big city. What is it famous for? It's very famous for its history and its sites. Are there any libraries? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Is there a metro system? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Are there any museums? Yes, many. Is there a stadium? Yes, a new one. Pronunciation. How do you pronounce this word? Southwest. 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 Indefinite pronouns. Is there any library in the school? No, there isn't any library in the school. Are there any parks in the city? Yes, there are some great ones. Some prefer this, some that. Are there any museums in your city? No, there aren't. Are there any apples on the tree? No, there are none. I have been here many times. Are there any apples on that tree? No, there are none. I wanted some string, but there was none in the house. Some of these books are useful. Are there any books on the table? No, there are none. Have any of you some money? No, we haven't any. Is there any coffee left? No, there's hardly any left. Test yourself. 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Please back soon. Please come back soon. Where is London? It's in the south-east of England. Are there any museums in the city? Yes. Some great ones. There are some great museums in London. I should see them. In which word the sound of the letters OU is different? Should. New words. Airport. Bridge. Boulevard. Capital. Center. Continent. Downtown. Near. North. Northeast. Northwest. South. Southeast. Southwest. West. What's it like?